Hi, my name is Matt Cooper. I'm the CEO here at Swept, and I'm going to share 3 things with you that we think are critical when writing a job posting when hiring a new cleaner. When we were a cleaning company, there were 3 things that we found improved not only the quantity of applicants, but also the quality. And the first thing was taking the time to write a job description that answers the specific questions that your applicants are going to need to know. Things like, how much does this position pay? Where will the cleaning be located? Or how frequently will you need them? What time of the day will they be working? That helps them evaluate whether or not this role is going to be a better fit than others. It's also your opportunity to speak a little bit about your company and how you're different. Talk about the values of your team and how you'll treat them if they become part of that team. The second is around their responsibilities. So it could be as simple as, specific equipment that they'll be responsible for, or whether or not they need to work alone or as part of a team. But it's also an opportunity to talk about the job and what they were responsible for outside the scope of cleaning. So it could be as simple as securing a building or reporting problems when they run into that. The last section is really around the requirements. And this is actually a great section for you to screen someone out. So answering questions or giving them specifics about what will really be needed for them to be successful in this position. Do they need a car? Do they need a phone? Is that an expectation that you set when an employee joins your company? Can they pass a criminal background check? Or are you expecting them to be able to? How many hours a week is this position around? And will they be available for that many hours? So it's a combination of all 3 of these things, a great job description that expands on the questions they have, clearly outlining the responsibilities that they'll need to fulfill within the position, and understanding the specific requirements that you expect them to be able to address in that position that'll make sure that you improve not only the quantity, but the quality, which is so important. Hopefully you found this tip helpful, and have a great day.